Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by gathering everything you want compressed into a single folder so Finder creates one clean archive. Once done, check available disk space and the folder's size. Large archives need extra room. Make a quick choice now: archive only for speed or encrypted zip if you need privacy. If you choose encryption, pick a strong password and store it securely. These initial steps prevent errors later and speed up the actual compression process. You can compress in two main ways. In Finder, right-click the folder and choose Compress to create a standard zip quickly. It's simple and reliable. For more control, open Terminal, cd to the parent folder, and run zip-r archive name. Zip folder name to include subfolders. If you need encryption, use zip-er and set a password. This encrypts file contents but not file names. Make sure to test the archive after creation to verify integrity and encryption behavior. After creating the zip, verify it immediately. You can double-click to extract in Finder or run unzip archive name. Zip in Terminal to test integrity. Once verified, transfer via AirDrop, cloud storage, or external drive. For important files, compare checksums before and after transfer. If something goes wrong, the archive won't open or is corrupted, free up disk space, recreate the folder, and run the zip command again. You'll usually fix issues by rebuilding the archive and retesting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.